Alright, so here we have November's tuner crate box. Life's too short to drive boring cars. So let's see what we got for the month of November. So just had to take out the little slip that's in there. That's all my information. So I didn't really see what was really in there. I was just trying to get that out. But all right, let's open it up and see what we got. Dang! Right off the bat, we got Paul Walker. Dang, that hurts, bro. Damn. All right. Well, we got a Paul Walker sticker. Might be a tattoo, but rip to a legend, man. Rip to the legend. Alright, man. Well, we'll keep him there. Then, life's too short to drive boring cars. Just go through all the stickers that we got. Paul Walker, see you again. Dang. I'm definitely gonna be putting this on my car. Remember the Buster. Then tuna no crust. Then Supernova air freshener. And then, ooh, this is a sweater. Alright, well, like I said, I always end up doing the shirts and anything else like that last, so we'll put that to the side. We got Leon's Nissan Skyline GTR, so go into my collection. Then we got 3 of the cards I always throw in. We got an Acura NSX. I don't know, like I said, I never know these camera focuses, but I found out when I edited this thing. We got Jesse's Jetta. Then looks to be, I don't know if it's a certain person's BMW, but it's a wide body lime green BMW. Looks pretty clean. And the specs. Then we got a pin, Purist, community driven. Oh, that's dope. Got a little 3D printed engine block. So two colors. Got the green right on top of the engine block. It's a V6. I thought it was a V8, but that's cool. I wonder where this is gonna be from. What kind of car they printed it or modeled it after. Then we got a little wooden turbo poster. Dang, I can still smell the wood. Well, not the wood, but like the sawdust. Straight smells like wood. And then last, we got the big old Paul Walker. Now I don't know for a fact this one's a sticker. So, just man, it's sad, man. Just rip to the legend. Alright, so go back through each thing, and then at the end we'll do the sweater or the shirt. Just like right down here. So, first off, just a big old sticker of Paul Walker. Legit whole paper sheet size. This just makes me sad, man. He was one of my idols, legit inspiration. But here we got Jesse's Jetta. Like I said, we got the BMW lime green, wide bodied. Like that, I don't know who specifically it is, but or if it's specific persons, but we got that. Got the Acura NSX. Purist, community driven. Let's see if we can focus. Yeah, the camera never likes to focus, so we got the V8, or not V8, 6-cylinder 3D printed engine block. Legit just a block, 2-tone color. That's pretty cool. Got the Paul Walker sticker. Life's too short to drive boring cars. Then we got the wooden coaster, turbo coaster. Like I said, I can still smell the wood, like the shaving wood, like when you freshly cut wood. It's a really strong smell. Tuna no crust. Ooh, that's a really strong smell. The Supernova air freshener. I wonder what this is gonna smell like. Never even heard of it, so then this is definitely gonna go on my car. Remember the Buster. Gotta remember the Buster, man. The Buster. Tuna no crust. Then smaller version of the bigger sticker we got. Rip my man, 2013. I can't believe it's already been these 9 years ish. I'm bad at math, but I think it's 9 years now. But dang, man, so sad to see a legend go. There we go. We got Leon's Nissan Skyline GTR. This one didn't come broken like the Supra did. I got not last box, but a box or two ago. I'll show you in a bit where these are going. And I don't know if they wrapped the shirt in here or it's just a sweater. But lastly, well, just a sweater. So that's actually pretty cool. Just as the box on the cover says, life's too short to drive boring cars. This is pretty cool. Anything on the back? Nope. Simple design. Life's too short to drive boring cars. Just a simple throw over hoodie. Got pockets. But yeah, that's this month's box. Alright, so here we have November's box. Pretty good box. Legit got me all up in my feels because of this legend right here, Paul Walker. Pretty good box, in my opinion. A lot of little stuff, but pretty good. And then we got Leon's GTR. I'm gonna show you guys real quick where this guy's gonna be living. With the rest of the other ones I've been getting for the past couple months. Right up there. Right next to Hans Mazda. So that's where it's gonna be living now. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description. You guys go ahead and check them out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.